going on? What's going on? It's a beautiful day out, and today we're gonna restore our new wheels, or new old wheels. We're gonna clean it first, and then we're gonna prep it for paint. We're gonna do everything using common hand tools, as you can see right here. Yeah, so let's start by cleaning the wheels. So as you can see, this wheel is so dirty. It's full of mud, full of crud, full of chud, and it needs a proper paint job. Because as you can see, the paint is messed up. Look at the freaking paint, bruh. So let's go, man. Daming layers. Damn. Unbelievable, man. Always remember that the key to having a great paint job is all in the prep work. If you give your best effort in preparing your object before painting, it will show. Kinda sayang pala yung index card. Oh no! It's been days, and I'm still doing this. It's taking longer than I expected, bro. So this is the second wheel. I'm done with the first wheel, but 2 to go. 3 to go, including this. Nakakapagod, nakangalay, and I'm so stressed. It's gonna take days to finish all of the wheels, but yeah, I'm just gonna continue. So I was planning to show you all 4 wheels done, but it took longer than I anticipated, so sadly you're gonna have to see it next time when we're gonna install it. So for now, this is all we got. Come on, man. So I can't wait to see these wheels when we install it to the car.